Trees and rivers wide, where animals run and play and hide. The lion roars, so strong and proud. His golden mane is big and loud. The monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing, playing wild and free. The elephant stomp, 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 with a trunk that gives a mighty honk. The zebra trots with stripes so neat, dancing lightly with happy feet. The parrot sings, squawk, hello, with feathers bright that shine and glow. The tiger growls, I'm fast, you see, chasing shadows behind the tree. The forest is big, the forest is grand, a home for creatures on the land. Let's be kind and keep it clean, so all the animals stay serene. The lion roars, so strong and proud. His golden mane is big and loud. The monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing, playing wild and free. The parrot sings, squawk, hello, hello, with feathers bright that shine and glow, and glow. The tiger growls, I'm fast, you see,